As soon as we arrived, I see my beautiful 720S Novatec, and it has a blown engine. It needs an engine. We changed the oil pump on it. After they started the car, there was an actual knock inside the motor. We can either rebuild it, will take them about 10 days with all the parts, or we just buy one from the wrecking yard in Sharjah. 85,000 dirham for an engine. It's done 20,000 kilometers. Throw it in and we're good to go. It'll take them 2 days to install and we're back on the road. This way, if we're going to rebuild it, yes, you're going to get a brand new engine, but sometimes playing with an engine and you don't get the rebuild right, after 6 months, it's going to blow again. Exactly what happened to this engine because this has already been rebuilt. This is our third engine actually in this 720S. The car's got 65,000 kilometers on the dash. Every year, pretty much, it blows an engine.